Greetings from Brunnsviken Nakenbad, spontaneous nudist beach spot. The closest nudist beach spot actually to the center of Stockholm, located on the lake, or actually this is part of the sea, but it's known as Brunnsviken and it's definitely not salty water, but with a small passage is connected to the Baltic Sea. This is how it looks like on this 9th of April 2026, currently 2:40 p.m. Sunny day, 7 degrees Celsius in the air, and the color of the water looks nice and clean as well. I have already put my thermometer in the water to check out and get a more accurate measurement. And we continue the beach adventures, obviously. I think today is beach number 17, if I'm not completely mistaken. And yeah, yesterday I was in Flatten, today I'm a bit central in the city, and I'm all alone right now. It's obviously not this beach season open yet, but we're gonna be here for a quick dip. And it is 7 degrees Celsius in Brunnsviken. I'm really not sure if I should call it lake or sea, but something in between them. Located in the Stockholm University campus, in the Frascati forest. Super sunny day. The sun is back in Stockholm since yesterday, and we continue the beach adventures. So let's then hit the waters while I show you more of this nudist beach spot in Stockholm. It's marked on Google Maps as Brunnsviken Nakenbad. Yeah, spring is here, and when it is sunny, it is so much more nice to go in for a dip. And 7 degrees is probably the warmest it has been so far, and let's get going. On the other side we have Hagaparken, and we can also see those big buildings there at Hagastaden. Lots of people are walking by there actually on the other side in the park, and it's quite nice, but I don't come that often in this part of the city, even though it is central. So let's continue and get in the water. Here it is a bit tricky to go in because we need to get acquainted to the water properly first before we dive in. And right now it's a bit cold on my legs, I'm not gonna lie, but it's also nice. I cycled actually all the way here. I had some other thing to do in the city, so I thought to use that situation to show you Brunnsviken Nakenbad here in Stockholm, very close to the border with Solna municipality. Okay, we are going in. Here we have a nice passage into the water, and we are ready to dive in for a quick dip in 3, 2, and let's go. You feel a bit the sea actually, I'm not gonna lie, but it's mostly a closed area here, and quite cold, but cold as I usually say. This is my best moment of the day, when my body is recuperated, and I can't wait when the temperature will get over 10 degrees, so I will get to be longer in the waters and actually swim when it is over 15 degrees. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this episode from Brunnsviken Nakenbad, which means nude beach actually. or naked beach more specifically. So see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.